working hard. Good,
Hey,
good.
Dad,
Yo,
you got a timer?
keep going. You're doing fine.
Are you making a movie about me?
Yeah. Oh, you're getting serious. Oh, I heard that one.
I didn't make it.
Hit that target, man. He's working hard at it.
Wallace. So what do you say if I get paid?
I think it's about gas and stuff, but...
Yeah!
Can I come see my video?
Good shot, man.
Can I come see my movie?
If you want.